The One Piece! The One Piece is real!
Hi. If only One Piece was real. Not because I want world government, celestial dragons, or five elders. Because it feels more earthly than Earth could ever become. It's sad, but it's true. When I first started watching One Piece, I had a lot of second thoughts in my mind. I was confused why people liked it so much, why people were crazy about it, why is it so hyped around the world? What is it that makes people change their perspective of life? What is it that makes people see their goals and dreams so clearly? Until it was my turn. It was really difficult for me to start because it had a lot of episodes. It kind of overwhelmed me. The more I watched it, the more I realized it's not only about pirates. It's about the friends we make along the way. It's about the freedom we get. It's about the courage to move forward. It's about the taking pause in between and going and fighting for yourself. It's about fighting for the helpless. It's about kindness. It's about helping others. It's about everything that human can possibly think of. It's about something that these people in this world lack. Every other member in the Straw Hat crew have a dream. For example, Nami, who wants to draw the map of whole world. Zoro, who wants to become the greatest swordsman. Sanji, who wants to see all blue. And then there's Luffy, who wants to become the king of the pirates.
I'm gonna be the king of the pirates!
Everybody closest to them will tell them that they cannot do that. It's impossible or something that they should give up. But they never do. Because that's what life is. You have to fight for your dreams. You have to succeed. You have to become what you want to become. And even if you don't succeed, the life is not going to stop there. Life, like I was saying, everyone, for example, me, we spend more time on doubting ourselves. We spend more time on thinking whether we should do this or what will our parents say, what will the society say, how will the society judge us, what if we fail, what if that all efforts, where will it go? But instead of thinking that, what if we just gave our 100% and see what life gives out? One Piece also shows something we often forget. It's the people closest to us that matters. A great crew doesn't make you weaker, it makes you stronger. And just in life, being successful doesn't mean you have to be alone for that. You can have friends, the friends you make along the way, the people who support you, your family, your relatives, your coordinator, teachers, everyone who supports you or who are there for you. They play an important role for your success. It's important to thank them. It's important to value their efforts. It's important to value their existence itself and value your own existence too. So when I say if One Piece was real, I don't really mean about the bad pirates. I mean pirates like Straw Hat crew who want to help each other, who want to succeed together, who want to sail across the sea and have the taste of their own freedom, who help be kind and are trustworthy people. I mean, I wish more people believed in each other. I wish more people could have the courage to do what nobody has done. I mean, more people could stand up for themselves and protect their friends. I wish loyalty mattered more. And of course, maybe that's why One Piece isn't just an anime, it's really deep. And after completing 1000 plus episodes, I could surely say that One Piece is really short. One Piece needs more and more episodes. 1000 isn't enough. No. It's a reminder for us to build a kind of world we want to live in and to be a person we want to become. I think I started this YouTube after watching One Piece and it really inspired me. And if you watched One Piece, then tell me what you liked the most about it. And if you didn't, it's your time, it's your call. Go for that venture. Bye bye.